But then I realized that I had the microphone off, and sadly I have to do this again. So let's quickly get on with it. Well, first I realized something. This, I'm just going to change it to when I receive full, and then this is going to broadcast arrest here. So let's quickly do that. Here is, he's going to broadcast full, and then he's going to say when clicked, hide, set size to 50%, I think it was, or something like that. No, it was 100%, wasn't it? So, okay, no, it was 50%. Definitely 50%. Yep. So we're gonna ask him to go here. So when I receive arrest, go here. It was one earlier. It was -124 -112, but yeah, I guess so. Okay, and we're gonna say show. Then we're gonna say stop in the name of the law for 3 seconds. Okay, great, now this is the hard bit. We're gonna draw a backdrop. So how do I do that again? Oh yeah. So we're gonna fill it up all with green. Then we're gonna just draw black lines, and I hope you can assume that this is jail. If not, then, well, now you know. Okay, there's that, and we're just gonna call this jail/end. Actually, no, I'm just gonna call it jail. There's something I want to add that I didn't add in the other one. So just go back here, switch backdrop to jail. Then we're gonna get him, paint a new. Oh, sorry, don't want to paint that. We're going to duplicate lazing about. We're gonna call this in jail. And also, we're just gonna quickly go here one more time into the backdrops. And we're just gonna what's it called? Fill it in black. Just gonna say, type in. I want like a nice. Yes, that's a nice one. Center align that. Was that? How do I do that again? No. Just messing about. Right, and just gonna quickly just no. Just gonna quickly just put a big black rectangle into the place where I just left stuff. Just messing around a bit more, just joking in case no time for that. Okay, then no, don't want that. Okay, then we're just gonna go here again. We're gonna convert this to bitmap. Okay, just gonna zoom out a bit. Also, we can't zoom out. Okay, that's better. Okay, so we're just going to select his body. Actually, forget that. We need to select his head. What am I doing? Move that away. No. Great. What's that? Delete that. So anyways, I'm going to select his head. Move that away. Select his body. Delete that. Then here, we're going to let's quickly erase his smiley face. Fill up that empty space with white. Then here, now we're just gonna draw on a little sad face. There. And then we're gonna go back here. Also, before we switch backdrop to jail and police officer, I'm just gonna say wait 2 seconds. Okay, now we're gonna go here, start a new piece of code. And then also gonna after we broadcast jail, we're gonna say broadcast end. Okay, now we're gonna go to Catty. Obviously, gonna say when I receive end. Set size to 150%. And I'm just going to go to this very start of the code in Catty. I'm just going to say set size to 60%. Clean that bit up. Oh, nearly just lost all of it then. Okay, then we're going to say go to X0, Y0. Wait 2 seconds. Switch backdrop to the end. Where's end? Did I name it? Don't think I did. No, I didn't, so we're just going to call it the end. Okay, so we're just going to go back here, and switch backdrop to the end. Now, I really need that to work because I really want to end this series. If you're wondering, yes, I did see that blank in words. It happens if it's on full screen, so don't worry about that. Oh, great, there. See? There. Almost finished. Come on. Yep, and there's that not mind blank, text blank thing. It's normal, don't worry. See? Just put in this small screen. No, it was so close to working. Switch costume to in jail. We're gonna, and here we're just gonna say hide for police officer, and here at the end of it we're just gonna tell Catty to I'm gonna say hide, And now we need to review it all over again. Okay, we know that bit works. Just hurry up. I'm pressing the forward key as fast as I can, as much as I can, but nothing's working. So I just want to start again. Oh, no. Why did I say that? Why did I say that we have to start again? Oh no, it's been 20 minutes. Or just under. Or just over. I don't know. Wait, just over 20 minutes. Quite. I really need this video to end now. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. And I'm going to be so mad if my microphone is off. Mental note, make the word in. Make the word in. Okay, good, that works. Mental note, make the word in. Okay, forget that bit. Know why it's not in the middle, but nothing I can do about that. Peace out.